We are Graphinelli Cleaning believe that the customers, you deserve the best. That's why we make our own products, natural products, and we use mineral oils like lavender and Siberian Fir. Why? Because we don't want unnecessary chemicals to be in the environment. We want your home to be safe for you, your family, and your kids, and also your pets. We are concerned about your health and your well-being. That's why we make these products every day. Actually, I make them every day, and I am thinking about you.